Hey, Dr. Oliva. This is Lucas from Purple Room Marketing. We're a digital marketing agency, and I was just making some research and I came across your website and your business. So I figured to shoot you this little video on 3 tips on how can you start beating your competition online. If you like what you see, please get back to me so we can chat. But anyways, I want to keep this nice and short so I don't waste your time or mine either. And basically, what I wanted to tell you is about 3 things: content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with content, this is everything that is on your website: all the text, all the pictures, how the pictures are saved as, what is behind the pictures, all right? Everything is content. All that is the things that the search engine can read to figure what your website is about and what are the businesses that the services that you're offering, and that way you can be found for, all right, when somebody search for terms on Google. So the thing is, Google likes to see a lot of keyword rich and orientated authoritative content. And as you see here, you have a good looking website, you have a lot of content here, all right, perfect for Google. The only thing would be making sure that all this content is targeting the keywords and key phrases that people are searching the most regarding the services that you're offering, in order to be found on the top of the results when they look for them. Okay. Then second thing would be citations. As you see, when you search for a service or for a term on Google, a lot of times you get this, which is the Google Pack, the Google My Business, they call it. Sometimes you see some ads over here, but the important thing right now is this: the Google My Business, citations, and organic results. The ads, it's a hit or miss because a lot of people nowadays are using ad blocks, and with the ad blocks, you can't even see the ads. All right. So, how you get here on the very top with citations? A citation basically is your business name, address, and phone number, the same way that you have it in Google, on different directories all throughout the web. By directories, I mean Facebook, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Start, NG, like these thousands of them out there. All right. So if you beat the amount of citations that these guys have, you would be on the top. So by that, the right strategy to do that is we check how many citations these top guys have, and we make 50 to 100 more than them. It's the more the better always, because that makes it harder for them when they realize that you beat them and you're on top of them, and they see that you have way more citations than they do, and they start building them back. And we can see it because we take it on a regular basis, and that way we would outrun them all the time. Okay, when they start building more, we start building more, and that way they can never catch up. And also citations together with the content would help you rank in here as well. But for this, the most important is the content and the backlinks. Backlinks are the next thing I wanted to talk about. A backlink is basically your website is mentioned in another website that when somebody clicks on it, it brings them back to your website. So the thing is, not all backlinks are created equal. All right. Some backlinks are more powerful than other ones. This is Ahrefs, for example. This is a tool that we use that I can see some data about your website and about your business online. Like I can see how many referring domains that you have. That brings you 81 backlinks. All right. 81 backlinks that, as I said, they're not all the same. Backlink, for example, your website mentioned on a website that talks about food or healthy diet or stuff like that, it's not as powerful as your website mentioned in a medical article, or right, on a medical site that has a well-known name, or another doctor mentioning your business or your clinic. Okay, that would be way more powerful backlinks for you. All right. And as you see here, this is the trust and the power that Google gives you. You have 30 referring domains with 81 backlinks, okay, on your website here. And that you're ranking for 39 keywords. That brings you approximately 44 people every month through your website on organic traffic. If you go here and we see again Podiatrist in Miami, we go to the first result, Edward Bustamante, okay, and we put his website. His website is pretty much the same. he doesn't even have that much content on the front page. He has a lot of it on the other pages. But the thing is that his content, all the pictures and everything, is saved properly. So when you go and check his website, you see that he has 24 referring domains that brings in 61 backlinks. Why is he ranking higher than you? Because these backlinks are more powerful than your backlinks, and because of his content is more oriented to the keywords that people are looking for. All right. So all that makes him rank for 165 keywords. That brings him around 110 people every single month in organic traffic. So all these are potential patients. All right. And if you go check the keywords, every time somebody search for any of these terms, okay, podiatrist Miami, food doctor Miami, Miami podiatrist, podiatrist in Miami, so on and so forth, it's been searched 700 times a month, 150, 100, 100. You see here everything, and he's always on the very, very top. He's always on the first result. Okay, that's why he's getting the lion's share of the searches. Every time somebody search for that, they go to Dr. Edward. All right, because he's the first one in Google, and the statistics says that that these three first results are the ones that get more than 90% of the traffic, but this first result is the one that gets the most inside of that percentage. Okay, so in order to get here, as long as you implement a good and strong and healthy backlink profile, a lot of citations in order to be here as well, so you're completely dominating, and very, very important, a lot of good quality, keyword oriented, authoritative content, you would be able to rank up here and up here and start beating everybody. You would be able to get as much as traffic that he's getting over here, if not more. Okay, so yeah, that said, if you like what you hear and you think I have the knowledge to help you, or you want to talk further into this, just get in touch with me. And if not, please just take these tips that I just give you for free to implement them yourself. And all I ask for is a little comment or review in the video. Thank you very much and have a great day.